In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to self-host n8n on Hostinger. You will have your own n8n on a private server ready to be used for your automations. It's an easy and a reliable setup on Hostinger, and I think they are priced at a good amount as well. I personally use it for my client work as well, but I'm going to show you a complete overview from buying the server and then doing the setup and creating a workflow in n8n. So you guys have the best idea of what to do yourself. So the first step to self-host n8n on Hostinger is to create or log in an account with them. So here I am on Google. I search Hostinger and this is the first hit. You go under the landing page. You can see the pricing over here. There's also self-host n8n option, but we go to the normal process. Just go to my account. You can create an account and just going to log in with Google, which is what most of you are going to do. So you just sign up, create an account, and then let me show you the next process as well once this is done. So as you can see, they will create the account for you, and Hostinger is like they hold your hand a lot. Some will onboarding here, just to West Bengal, city Kolkata. This is fine. This is fine. Just add your details. And here now you're on the edge panel of Hostinger. Then you go to VPS. And here you click on the KVM VPS. Below the KVM VPS, you click on Get Now. This will load. Now for the server location, choose whatever closest to you. They automatically do it themselves as well. So just continue what they say. Just type n8n here. And you can see under application, you see n8n. If you just do it normally, you click on show mode. And then here you have n8n. And now it says, yeah, n8n built on Ubuntu. This, it just gives you a description. Just click on select. And here you'll be asked to create root password. Just type a root password. One number, one lowercase, 15 to 20 characters. This is hard. Hold on. Something like vampire at the rate 123. Vampire at 145. Alright. You'll use the reuse password to log into a VPS. Alright, I created a root password. SSH key is not required. Appeared in a data leak. Okay, alright. This is a little hard. Let's say YouTube. Alright, one uppercase letter. Let's see why. Yes, not done. Alright, save password. It asks you to do this malware scanner feature, add more features. I don't think we need this. Just click on next. And now it comes on the pricing plan. Now you can select whatever pricing plans you feel like is correct. One thing is that over here, all these pricing plans are multi-year pricing plans, let's say for 24 months. But if you select and then you come on this page, you basically see the difference. So you see 24 months is 500 per year, and now if I just want to have for the next one, I'm trying out, so yeah, I have to pay actually 750. And then of course on top of that we are paying GST, god knows why. But anyways, this is for the 1 month plan. If you want a 12-month plan, 24-month plan, depends on what your capacity is. You can choose whatever plan suits you best by looking at these features. If you're someone who has a lot of clients, you run an n8n. So on 8 GB RAM, on 16 GB RAM, with these CPU cores should be good for you. But if you only have like 2-3 clients, you're managing 2-3 workflows, then to start out, this is absolutely fine. You are good to go with this. All right. So now let's say I select a plan. I'll just select a 1 month plan and choose your payment method. All right, this is loading. Now over here, you will be asked to give your payment methods. Of course, I'm of course going to do this off screen, and we're going to come back to this. All right, so the payment part is done. And now when you come back to Hostinger, head over to this VPS section and you will see your n8n server live here. They give you a .cloud domain. And as you can see, I bought the KVM 4 subscription. Expiry, IP, status, these things don't matter to us. Just click on manage, and here are all the data about your server, and here just click on manage app, and this will take you to the n8n which you just self-hosted right now. And you can create as many workflows you want here. As you can see, I've done here. Just click on create workflow, and you are into the canvas now for all the automations. One important thing is when you first create your account here, they will ask you to do an onboarding process. They will ask you to register, create an account, do that, and they will give you a license key as well, which has a lot of additional benefits. I would definitely do that because it's a 2 minute small process where they send you a license key via email, and after that you are set to go and use and attend in all your automations. That's about it, guys. I hope it was helpful and informative. Leave any questions you have in the comments down below, and I will try to answer them all, and I will see you in the next one.